Hi, my name is Milkshake Mate and welcome to my channel. Here we talk about everything crypto, and today we're going to be talking about three things: Pi Network, XRP and Bitcoin, all in one video, because actually something really fantastic has happened and I think a lot of people have missed it, and it's good news. And let's face it, we all need to see the good news right now, and I found it. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'll appreciate every single one of you that does it. And it also means if you hit the subscribe button and the bell button that you're going to know next time that I make a video, you'll be alerted and you'll be the first one to see it. So hit that subscribe button. 85% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. Why? Why would you do that? Hit the subscribe button. Do it. Hit it now. Nothing I do here is financial advice. Please seek your own financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet with a beard talking to you about what I see and do. Nothing here is financial advice. If you guys can let me know in the comments which part of the world that you're from, because I've been loving this. I've been doing it on recent videos, and honestly, it just amazes me just how global the reach is of social media. So let me know in the comments which country you're from and which cryptocurrency is your favorite. Maybe tell you what, give me your top three. Let me know what your top three cryptocurrencies are, because actually, depending on what you guys say, it might depend on what kind of videos I make, because I've got a broad portfolio of cryptocurrencies, but I tend to talk about the same ones because I think it's what you guys want to listen to. So let me know in the comments what's your which country you're from, and what's the top three favorite cryptocurrencies that you're into. Guys, it has been a horrible month, a horrible last 2 weeks, and a horrible last couple of days. The markets have taken an absolute beating. Cryptocurrency prices are down. Everything is looking red over the last 3 to 4 weeks. And it's been a difficult time. However, there is some good news, and I'm going to share it with you. Yesterday was the worst day for the stock market and finances in general since COVID. Just let that sink in what I've just said. It was the worst day. Everything took a hammering. You look at the stock market and it's down. And it is the worst day they've had since COVID. And that was a giant crash. So, if that was the worst day since COVID, I don't think cryptocurrency is doing too bad, because it could have been a hell of a lot worse, and it's not been. Now, I know it's difficult if you're looking at your portfolios and you're seeing a lot of red. But let's just put this in perspective. The last time we had the worst day, which was during the COVID times and the markets crashed, Bitcoin fell to 3,000 US dollars. And as it stands right now, Bitcoin is 84,000 US dollars. If we look at the top 100 cryptos by market cap today, it's majority green. I mean, that way, which way is it? I can never do this. That way. Look at that. Grass is up 25% today. And there's a load of them that are in the same boat. So let's just quickly go and look at the top 100 market caps. And let's go and have a look at this. So the biggest winners here, I mean, look at them. 25% up, 10% up, 7% up, 5% up, 5% up, 5% up, 5% up. And there is just an absolute load of them. And we're going to take it. XRP is up 2.5%. Bitcoin's up 1.3%. I mean, these are quite small numbers, but they are in the green. And honestly, there was a huge percentage chance that this could have all been red. The only one of the large market caps really that is struggling is Tangem, which is down 3.8%. I mean, Leo Coins is 0.1%. I mean, it's nothing. It's basically the same. Right, the Pi Network is down 11% on the day. So Pi has not fared well compared to the rest of the large cap in the top 100. However, we do know about the Pi Network is there's other things affecting the price as well, not just the standard market conditions. There's also been uncertainty about exchanges, uncertainties about KYB, also uncertainties about KYC. There's been uncertainties that's going around. Plus, there's been the release of the coins. Plus, there's people having their coins migrated backwards. There's been all sorts of things that's going on. However, the Pi Network coin is still at, let's go and look at it. Let's go and look at it on the trading charts. It's still at 55 cents. Now, although that's not brilliant, I'll be honest with you, it isn't brilliant. It could have been a hell of a lot worse. And I think we all, as a community now into crypto, need to be a little bit more happy, because I assure you now, this could have been so much worse. If today is the worst day, well, yesterday is the worst day, and we are at a situation where Pi Network is at 55 cents, XRP is at $2.08, Bitcoin is at $84,000, then in my opinion, we're doing just fine. Absolutely just fine. We've got a few things that is going to happen over the next couple of days. I think we've got the US job market announcements. We've got potential interest rate decisions going to be made in America. So there's all sorts that's going to go into the mix. But honestly, I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling bullish because right now I can see that moving forward, there is a very good percentage chance of us rallying up from this point rather than rallying down. That's my take on it. That's where I'm sat right today. So I'm happy. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking. Are you concerned about where we're at? Or are you thinking, we've ridden the wave, cryptocurrency has survived what could have been a devastation, and now we're going to be rallying up? Let me know in the comments what you're thinking. Yesterday, I added to my positions. I added to Bitcoin, I added to XRP, I added to Cardano, I added to Solana. I added to my positions because I believe yesterday, basically, cryptocurrency was on sale. And since I've added to those positions, they've all gone up a little bit. So I feel justified in my movement. What did you do? Did you make any purchases yesterday of cryptocurrency? Did you buy any of the dips, or were you just trying to ride it out? I'm really interested to see what other people's mindsets are, because I do understand that the fear and greed index was firmly in the extreme fear mode. And a lot of people will be more reluctant to spend money on risky assets like crypto. But what did you do? Did you ignore the fear and greed, and did you make that decision to go and do it like I did? Which I'm not saying is the right thing to do. I'm just saying it's the thing that I did. Or did you go, no way, I'm holding tight? Or did you sell? Because I saw so many people on my TikTok comments yesterday where as it was dropping, panicking and selling stuff. And I was like, stop selling your crypto. But everybody's got to make their own decisions in this world and stand on their own 2 feet. And all they can do is make the best decisions that they possibly can with the information that they have, which is why I try to give you the information that I have to you to help you make the best decisions. And yesterday, for me, it felt like the right day for me to be able to make a further purchase into the cryptocurrencies that I wanted to add into yesterday. My favorite thing to do is to try to make money on the market when it goes up and make money on the market when it goes down. And I do that by doing leverage trading. And a leverage trade basically is where you gamble on whether the market's going up or down, and you put a trade on in that direction, and you can leverage trade it. So you can times the amount that you're going to gain by a certain percentage. The trade-off for that is there'll be a liquidation point. So unlike when you buy cryptocurrency in the normal way, where if it goes up or down, you still own it. Well, with a leverage trade, if you say the market is going to go up, but actually it goes down, there'll be a point that if it goes below that point, that you'll get liquidated. It's interesting to do. I would advise everybody to study it if you are interested in doing it. Now, if you are looking for a site to be able to do that on, I'll share with you the one that I use. So I use Bitunix. There is a link in the description for this. With that link, you also get opportunity for sign-up bonuses as well. It all depends on how much money you load onto your account. To get like the maximum $8,000 US, you need to put a significant amount of money in. So most of you won't be it's that way. I can never do this, guys. It's that way, isn't it? No, it's that way. You're not unlikely to get the $8,000 unless you can put a significant amount of money in. But the sign-up bonus is there, and it's like tiered depending on how much money you put in it. You only get that bonus if you do use my link. But this is the site that I use. I use it every single day. I think there's about 300 people that have used this link. And within that there, you can see all the stats of people. I can't see names of anybody or anything like that, but it's really interesting to see. There is some real big gains, and people are making a lot of money using this. But also remember that it is a risky thing to do. It's high risk and high reward. But remember to read the terms and conditions on the website so you fully understand it. But this is the site that I use to do leverage trading. I'm happy today. And do you know what? I'm just going to enjoy the sunshine. It's in England. The sun's not out very often. And for the last 2 days, the sun's been out. So maybe the God above has been telling us, don't stress. Don't stress. Have a bit of sunshine. Have a bit of happiness. I'm wearing a t-shirt today. My football team won this week. I'm going to the football tomorrow, guys, to go and watch Wolves versus Ipswich. If Wolves beat Ipswich, then we send Ipswich Town down, and Wolves basically confirm our place in the Premier League for next year. So I am feeling incredibly happy right now. Cryptocurrency is in a good position, and my football team are going to be in the Premier League next year. Let me know in the comments what football team you guys support. No West Brom fans though. As a Wolves fan, which way is it? That way. As a Wolves fan, we don't like West Brom. But apart from West Brom, everybody else comment. Let me know which football team you're into, and I'll see you in the next video.